Hundreds of people have heckled Spain's King Felipe and Queen Letizia, as well as the Prime Minister and the regional leader of Valencia, throwing mud and shouting "murderers" as the group attempted an official visit to one of the municipalities hardest hit by the deadly floods. The scenes playing out in Paiporta on Sunday laid bare the mounting sense of abandonment among the devastated areas and the lingering anger over why an alert urging residents not to leave home on Tuesday was sent after the floodwaters began surging. Much of the fury appeared to be directed at the elected officials as calls rang out for the resignation of Pedro Sanchez, the country's prime minister.